Hi, my name is Kelsey Deutsch. My presentation is going to be on Death Valley. This is going to be located in southeastern California. So this is just going to be some imagery we're going to take a look at really quick. This right here is going to be what our floor or the bottom of our valley is going to look like. So it's going to be very dried out, lots of salt and mineral deposits down here. You also would be able to see some fossils and lots of cool geology stuff going on in this area. Now, it is a valley, so if you look to any of the sides, you can see it a little bit in this picture, but more so over here. It is going to be a smaller mountain range. Now, this is happening from the molten material being pushed forwards or upwards out of our crust. Now, this changed our landscape and it made this include some rolling hills and actually produced the chain of volcanoes from Furnace Creek to the Shannonee. Now, this is an image of Badwater Basin. So this is going to be kind of our more touristy area, I suppose you would say. This is going to be at 282 feet below sea level, guys. That is insane. Some of the features that you're going to see today are going to be canyons and craters and obviously, some sand dunes. Now, a long time ago, we're talking 542 to 251 million years ago. This is going to be the Paleozoic era. The landscape was vastly different, guys. We're talking it's going to be wet. We're going to have lots of life here, lots of creatures. Very, very different. It was a warm, shallow sea, in fact. Now, here is some fossils you would have found in that era. Remember, this is 500 million years ago. Now, the erosion over millions of years had led to massive salt deposits being left behind. Badwater Basin here lies more than 11,000 feet of accumulated sediment and salts. A combination of plate tectonic activity, erosion, and climate change over millions of years gave birth or led to the birth of Death Valley. Once this was a part of large lake systems during our last ice age. Now this is around 10,000 years ago, so a lot more recent. And this is going to be when the climate warmed and it caused the lakes to evaporate, leaving behind these vast salts and literally nothing else. We have no life. It's just the salts and some mineral deposits. Death Valley is huge, guys. It spans 3.3 million acres, receiving little to no precipitation. Death Valley receives 2.2 inches of rainfall. That's annually, so that's every 12 months, holding the record for the highest ever recorded temperature, too. That's at 134 degrees. Now, personally, if you're going to go and you want to visit this geological wonder, I would suggest in February. This is going to be when it's most moderate for you. It's going to sit around 72 degrees, and it is actually the wettest time of year for this place, guys. Highly recommended, February. Now, just a fun fact, in 1929, not a single drop of precipitation was recorded for this area. Now, typically, this specific region sees 0.51 inches of rainfall, but a little rainfall is better than none, guys. Insanely hot, super cool, lots of geological activity going on here. Well, not recent, but it was. Just lots of activity from ice to water to barren nothing desert. Gonna melt you down. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed my presentation here, and I can't wait to see all of yours, and I hope you have a wonderful afternoon.